Hello and welcome to How to Visit series. Today I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 this image ISO file. First you go to Microsoft website or search for Windows 10 ISO, and then you are using mobile or tablet view to download the file. I'm using Chrome. If you are using other browser, the process are the same. What you should know: English versus English International. If you choose English, it means American English. If you choose English International, it means British English. Which edition should you choose? 64-bit edition or 32-bit? If your device has more than 4 GB of RAM, choose 64. Otherwise, choose 32. So let's get started. Okay, type Windows 10 ISO. This link. And then right click anywhere or Ctrl+Shift+I, and then select here blue, and then iPad 125, and then refresh the page. So now choose the edition. The latest one is May 2020. Confirm. And then select language. So I'm using American English, so I choose English. If you're using British English, you should choose English International. Confirm. So now there's two choices: 32-bit or 64-bit. Like I said, 64-bit for device that has more than 4 GB of RAM in the short explanation. So I'm using 64-bit now, so download one. So this is the file. That's how you download Windows 10 this image.iso. Okay, next video I will teach you how to create a bootable window using USB flash drive, so that you can install by yourself. So that's, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like or share. I'll see you in the next video. Stay on. Hello and welcome to How to Visit series. Today I'm going to show you how to create bootable USB for Windows 10 using Rufus. First, go to rufus.ie or search for Rufus, and then format your USB drive with FAT32 and then run. What you should know, you should use 16 or 32 if you set installing Windows on tablet or Surface. If it is on laptop or PC, 8 GB is okay. Let's get started. Okay, type Rufus. This is the website, and then go to download, the top one. It is small file, and then format your USB drive. Format by default FAT32. Quick format and start. Done. Done with folks. So this is your USB drive, and select window, this or ISO image. Select. Here select MBR because it work with all system. And volume level you can leave as it is or type anything you want. File system NTFS, and this is default. Then start. The process might take a while, so you can grab a cup of coffee also, or you can do anything else. Just leave it. It will take 10 or 20 minutes, depend on how fast is your USB drive. Okay, done. That's how you create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. Next video I will show you how to install it on your PC or Surface or tablet. Hello and welcome to How to with Set series lesson 3. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on a computer using a bootable USB flash drive. If you don't know how, please watch my other video, lesson 2, on how to do it. Disclaimer: please know that I will not responsible for any losses, damage in any form when you follow instruction. Do it at your own risk. Please make sure to back up your important files in external hard drive before proceeding. Let's get started. First, turn off your computer and then plug in a USB bootable flash drive to your computer and then turn it on. When the computer is starting about 2 seconds or so, please press escape or F2 or F10, F8 or F12, depend on your computer brand name. For example, Lenovo is F12, For Asus it's F8, and then select boot from USB. Here is very important, you don't have to follow my process here. For me, I just want to have clean version of Windows installation, so I delete hard drive and create it again. For you, you don't have to do that. If you do, please make sure that your file are backup, because doing this will delete everything and you cannot get it back. Done. That's how you do it. See you in the next video.